Welcome to the compact conical burr grinder. All the power of a large grinder in a slim, easy-to-stash silhouette. This video will take you through what to do before you grind, the parts, get the right grind, and care and cleaning. A few things to do before you grind your coffee. Wipe grinder exterior with a damp cloth. Wash the grounds container with soap and water. Dry thoroughly. Place the grounds container on the grinder base. Turn clockwise until locked. Place the bean hopper on the grounds container. Turn until locked in place. Plug the grinder into a 110-volt, 125-volt outlet. Let's look at the parts of the compact conical burr grinder. This is the bean hopper with removable lid. This is the grind size indicator and adjustment knob, which you'll use to set on any of 29 settings to achieve your grind size, from fine to coarse. This is the upper burr, and this is the lower burr, which you can remove for easy cleaning. This is the pouring spout, which you'll use to direct the grounds when you pour them out. The grounds container is where the grounds gather during grinding. The alignment markers provide guidance as you tighten the parts. It's not necessary to align them exactly, but to get them close. The grinder base houses the motor and the on-off button. The cord wrap and clip enable you to stash and store the compact conical burr grinder easily. Get the right grind. First, select your choice of grind size setting. Rotate the hopper to adjust grind size from fine 1 to coarse 15. Next, fill the hopper with coffee beans. Gently mist coffee beans inside the hopper with a small amount of water. This prevents dust buildup on the grinder walls. Replace the lid and press firmly to secure to the container base. Press the OXO start button. The grinder automatically stops running after 40 seconds, but you can stop it at any time by pressing the OXO button again. To unlock, rotate the bean hopper counterclockwise. Remove the hopper from the grounds container. If you didn't mist your beans, simply let the grounds rest for 60 seconds. Rotate grounds container counterclockwise and remove from grinder base. Use the spout to direct ground coffee while pouring. Care and cleaning. To get started, run the grinder for 10 seconds with an empty bean hopper to clear extra grounds from the burrs. Now, unplug your grinder before cleaning it. Rotate the bean hopper counterclockwise to unlock it from the grounds container. Use a clean, soft cloth to remove any coffee oils left behind in the hopper. Flip the hopper over. Follow the icons to unlock the lower burr. Remove it and clear any ground coffee with a soft cloth or dry bristle brush. The upper burr is part of the bean hopper assembly and can also be cleaned using a dry brush. Do not use water or other liquids to clean the inside of the grinder or burrs. Do not submerge the parts in water or wet the burrs. Twist the grounds container counterclockwise to remove it from the base. Rinse and dry thoroughly. Wipe the grinder base to remove any coffee ground buildup below the grounds container. To reassemble, place the grounds container back onto the base and lock in place. Place the lower burr assembly back onto the bean hopper and follow the indicators to lock in place. Place the hopper back onto the grounds container and lock into place. Follow these simple techniques to keep your compact conical burr grinder in prime condition and make space in your daily grind.